The sky was a swirling mix of grey and green, clouds moving faster than I'd seen in months. The weather forecast wasn't mincing words. A massive storm was rolling in, and it was going to be relentless. But there was something I needed: a filter wrench for my Kawasaki Z900. Oil changes were a ritual I took seriously. If you're going to do something, do it right. And I wanted to have all the tools I'd ever need. Standing in the garage, I weighed my options. The local motorcycle shop wasn't far, maybe 15 minutes away, but the storm's arrival felt imminent. The air was heavy, the kind of oppressive stillness that always comes before nature lets loose. I glanced at the Z900. She was ready, so was I. Grabbing my helmet, gloves, and jacket, I rolled the bike out. The engine roared to life, its deep growl cutting through the quiet tension of the neighborhood. With a quick glance at the sky, I made a mental note: ride fast, ride smart. I wasn't just racing time, I was racing the storm.
Hey bro.
Another two?
Yes please.
Please scan the flybys as well?
No. Thank you. Hey man, I need a filter thingy, the filter range.
Oh yeah, all the way in the back left, there's a aisle.
Okay,
That sort of stuff.
thanks man.
I kept them in stock because all of those bikes had 24 models came out and fans. Okay. I know the four strokes. The four strokes. Oh, okay. The four strokes. Yeah, I've got it. I was chewing the bike when I had one on it for some reason. They're just not. So, I had one of those in stock, and it literally took me over 12 months. And even then, I sold it at a heavy discount to somebody who was on a bike shop or something like that. I just wanted to take it and go.
Okay. Give me 2 seconds, I'll make a phone call. The other thing that I need to look up that I'm just going to buy is, you know how you can buy look, it comes in a box, it replaces the air filter so you can watch the air filter from the area.
Hey man, will this work with KN303 filters? I think it does.
I genuinely wouldn't have a clue.
Yeah, I'm after this one, 67. I'm not sure this one's 67.4, but I think KN303 is 67.4. 64.7. Fuck, I'm confused, man. Do you know anyone who can help?
Anyone that would
Oh
know.
yeah, so 64.7 will work with 303, I think.
Oh, okay, sweet. Yeah, that's it.
That's it, yeah, 64?
Yeah, that's the right one.
Perfect. Is it? Oh yeah, 65.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's just $8.95.
Which one is this one?
Oh, $5. That's a 67 mil. That's somewhere up there. They're probably just all behind each other.
No, I didn't see it. It says it's in stock, but yeah, it's still in stock. It says current, but
It would be where you just looked, because they're all in the same spot.
yeah, I couldn't find the 60 whatever.
If you head up to the parts guy in the back left, he might be able to help you.
Wait,
find
but
it.
this is different, right? 67 and whatever's here is different.
It's 67's different. It will fit a 138.
Yeah, I'll take the 64.
Yeah, that's what you'd be after.
Perfect.
Visa, debit, Mastercard.
No, it's card.
Yeah. Whenever you're ready, just tap away. Receipt for that one?
No, well, okay. Sure. It's about to rain, man. Gotta run home.
It's about to rain.
Yeah, it's about to go crazy. Right, well, yeah. On the radar, you can see there's a big
Yeah,
cloud.
got the radar on here as well.
Yeah, look at
Oh
this shit.
fuck.
Yeah, the monster is coming.
You should get the app, bro. It's more reactive.
Alright, which app is this?
Just BOM. It's the exact same thing. It's just an app.
Oh shit, alright, thanks,
It's
man.
more accurate to like where you are though.
Yeah, alright, I'll check
But
it
yeah,
out.
no, that's definitely got to come on.
Yeah, that's why I'm like, shit.
Oh, do you have a receipt for that one?
Yeah, thanks. Cheers, man. Thanks, have a good one.
The storm had fully arrived, but I was already home, safe and dry. The Z900 sat quietly, still warm from the ride, and the new filter wrench was already stashed with my tools. I couldn't help but grin. I'd made it back just in time, dodging the worst of the weather. No soaked jacket, no waterlogged boots, just a quick, thrilling ride and a mission accomplished. I got home before getting socked. Mission a total success.